To tackle stubborn stains, you need a powerful cleaning device. The XL180NX cleaning machine is ready for the toughest tasks in your home. Equipped with a 210 cubic centimeters engine, the XL180NX features an axial piston pump with a maximum flow rate of 9 liters per minute, delivering unmatched power to easily generate 190 bar of high-pressure water. When high-pressure water flows through the pump body, without proper anti-oxidation treatment, the pump surface can oxidize during use, allowing high-pressure water to seep into the pump body, potentially causing damage or leaks. However, XL Power's surface oxidation process adds a corrosion-resistant layer to the pump body's inner and outer surfaces, reducing corrosion and degradation risks by 90%, thereby enhancing safety and extending the pump's lifespan. As high-pressure water flows through the pump body, friction generates significant heat. However, XL Power's thermal protection device continuously monitors the water temperature and adjusts it as needed, ensuring long-lasting and safe operation. During operation, the muffler generates substantial heat. If the water outlet is poorly designed, it could damage the high-pressure hose, creating a safety risk. The XL180NX, however, features a safer water outlet design, ensuring secure and safe usage. Our pump doesn't require vent plug replacements, so maintenance is one less thing to worry about. Don't miss the opportunity to simplify and enhance your cleaning routine. Contact us today to learn more about our multifunctional cleaning machine and make it your reliable partner for home and car cleaning. XL180NX, clean beyond expectations.